Nick Rudder from McKee's37.com. It's a very exciting day at the shop. I have Jason Brennan from Lake Country Manufacturing, and we have the new UDOS 51E 5-in-1 polisher that's available for pre-order at McKee's37.com. Jason made a trip to the Trademark Garage to show us the unique 5-in-1 action of this polisher. Jason, let's get into it.
Sure. Thanks, Nick. Thanks for having us down today. Again, as this tool is launching, we just want to give a quick overview of a few things in the machine, what to expect and how to operate it. Again, 5-in-1. As you'll see, this is marked as R for rotary. And for your conventional rotary style buffers, if you're doing heavy defect removal or you wet sanded the panel, a rotary is a very quick tool to bring that up to a quick gloss before you go to a final finishing step. In order to take this into the next mode, you'll see that this has 3 components to it. So a collar, the rotating mass, and then also the backing plate. And what you want to do is line up all 3 of these components before you go to change. And all you have to do is simply push it down and you can go to the next step. Here you'll see this is an S that's designed for sanding. Again, if you're doing heavy defect removal and you want to wet sand, this would be the mode that you use it for. Additionally, you'll see P1. That's 12 millimeter DA orbit. P2 is 15, and P is 21 millimeter long throw DA. Again, 5 tools in one. And simply, all you have to do is line up all 3 items. Now, one thing we want to make sure of when you do this adjustment, if you do not have them properly aligned, as we're going to show here, and you attempt to go, it is not going to move properly. So always be sure that you're adjusting all 3 components when you go to change into different orbits or into rotary or into sanding. And make sure that the collar goes back. If you see that white or silver line, you don't have things lined up. You do not want to start the tool if it's not properly set in the proper selected mode.
That's a red flag, right?
Correct, absolutely. If you start the machine, when you see that red line, you can do damage to the machine. That is not a warrantable repair. So just be mindful of that. There's 3 lines, and if you make sure you do that every single time, the machine will work perfectly flawless for you.
And the tool comes with a 5-inch hook and loop backing plate. And at McKee's 37, our Redline foam pads, we have microfiber, waffle, CCS waffle, and flat, all made by Lake Country, #1 pad manufacturer. They're all compatible with this tool. It's a hook and loop material. It's a great fit. The tool is balanced, it's smooth, it's ergonomically designed, and my favorite feature, a rubber power cord. So for more information on this tool, head over to McKee's37.com where you can place your pre-order. They're expected to ship within the next 2 weeks. I'm Nick Rudder from McKee's 37. Jason?
Nick?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care and God bless.